Hey, this is Brian, the main contributor to the Smart Connections Obsidian plugin, and I'm about to go through the different GitHub issues that I have been unable to respond to. It takes a lot of time to read through the issues and formulate a good response, so I'm hoping that by recording my process, you can see what I'm thinking as I'm coming up with the response, and hopefully that will provide you with more insights on what the future of smart connections look like, and also answer whatever questions it is that you had in the issue itself. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. Issue number 80. Okay, so this has to do with a former version of Smart Connections, the version 1. So let's just close this one out, and let's just jump right to the next one. Okay, add help text, copy context. Like it looks like that this was added at least in a previous version. Let's see where we're at with that. Hey, okay, copy message to clipboard, copy message to clipboard. Let's see. Closing as complete. Okay, let's open that. So we save it for this video because I'm going to do a multiple here since we're just quickly closing some. Okay, so issue number 83. Need help on the prompting. It does not find names. Okay. So this is a common issue that I've addressed in a previous video. Basically, like here's the example. It's like I'm specifying a specific person in the smart chat, but it's not, finding those exact results like you would expect from like a standard search. And the reason is because Smart Chat does not implement a keyword search. I highly recommend trying the Chat GPT Smart Connect GPTs because they do implement keyword search. So, it looks like one way, I recommended going about this was, like mention that specific note, and then the smart chat will have access to that information and should be able to pull out the exact detail you're looking for. But like, let's say you don't have that exact note, like the path or the name of it on hand, you can use the Chat GPT Smart Connect GPT and instruct it to use keyword search. And I really think that's the answer here. So closing, so like I recommend using the Smart Connect GPT for chats that require keyword search. I think that that's about it. This feature will be implemented in the smart chat in the future, but currently, well, so I won't add that, but like for the video, I'll tell you like you're going to use a lot more tokens for keyword search. So like what's really cool with the Smart Connect GPT is like it can run a keyword search, get 50 results, and then, like from those 50 results, start like going through one by one. And like when it's going through one by one, you're adding a lot of tokens to the input. And when you're using the smart chat, you're using the API. So like the cost of that is going to add up really quickly. So like if you're using the Smart Connect GPT, there is no additional cost for using more tokens. So it just makes sense to like run those workflows within ChatGPT from a cost perspective. Okay, so next,